How to recover recently deleted photos and videos on iPhone? Mistakenly deleted a photo from your iPhone and want to recover it, but not sure how? Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Guy Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to recover recently deleted photos and videos on iPhone. Now let's get started. To recover recently deleted photos and videos on iPhone, first, open the Photos app. Scroll down to the Utilities section, then tap Recently Deleted. Tap View Album. You may need to use Face ID or enter your passcode to access this folder. Images deleted within the last 30 days will appear in this folder. Each image in the folder will have a number of days at the bottom, indicating how long you have left to restore them. Tap the image you want to restore. At the bottom, tap Recover, then tap Recover Photo or Recover Video to confirm. The photo or video will then be sent back into your camera roll. Repeat to recover any other deleted photos or videos you want to restore. That's it. That's all it takes to recover deleted photos and videos on iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist in the description below to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.